Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and to our professor, Sir Muyot. Today we are going to present our project entitled as Senior High School Enrollment System. I'm going to start introducing my member. Firstly, I'm Rohan J. Calderon, the leader, and our member James Basil Oponda, Ingrid Alexandra Burgos, Angelo Bukis, John Angelo Combinido, Andrew Berioso, and Warren Abundo. So, we're going to start with introducing our homepage.
So, ito yung itsura ng homepage namin. Makikita natin dito yung mga pwede nating mabuksan, which is the admin login, enroll student, view NDC students, view enrolled students, students enrollment results, and discovered available strand. Unahin natin yung admin login. Bago tayo makapasok, sa admin login hihingian tayo ng admin password. So, try natin yung maling password kung makakapasok tayo or hindi. So, makikita natin is wrong password, try again. So, subukan naman natin yung password natin. 1, 2, 3, 4 lang. So, yun. Admin menu. Pwede tayo dito mag-edit and list students, mga form nila. And next naman ay yung enrolled students. Dito natin pwede ma-view. So, check natin, try natin kung may nakalista. So, wala. No existing students. So, para meron tayo makita is try naman natin na mag-enroll tayo ng students. Punta tayo ng second option, mag-enroll tayo ng students. So first step is mag-fill up lang tayo ng personal information ng students, full name, Juan, and then the next is age, and sex is option 1. Next naman is submit mo lang yung grade mo ng grade 10 since yung system natin ay pang senior high school, meaning pang grade 11 yung i-enroll natin. So grade 10 yung hinihingi. After naman natin lagay lahat ng grade natin, makikita na din natin dito yung ating average. So yung average ay napaka-importante since yung standard natin ay may required na GPA para makapasok at makapasa. Dahil sa system, ang tinatanggap niya lang ay 75 and above na average. So, if yung GPA is lower than 75, automatic failed na yon. Check natin yung mga available strand. Makikita po natin dito yung mga required GPA. Example, piliin natin yung UMS or yung number 3. And submit natin yung form. Pwede rin naman natin i-cancel. As of now, sasubmit natin. And tatry naman natin ulit na mag-enroll pa ng isa pang students. Sabit din natin yung mga grades niya. Babaan natin. Yan, average 75. Pili ulit tayo ng strand na gusto natin. So, ang pipiliin natin ay try natin yung number 2, yung STEM. Check natin, view, i-submit natin, and para makita natin kung sila ba ay enrolled na or sila ay nakapasa, check natin sa number 5. Yan. Ito yung mga students na nakalista sa ating enlist students. Yan. Check natin si Juan. Si Juan ay nakapasa dahil ang average niya ay 75 and above. So, nakapasa si Juan, and press any key to verify your enrollment. So, yan, i-verify mo lang yung name ni Juan, and i-yes mo lang siya. Yeah. Next naman natin ay i-check naman natin. Yan, i-check natin sa list enrolled students. And si Juan ay nakapasa, and pwede rin natin siya makita sa admin login kung sino ba yung students na enrolled na, officially enrolled. So, check naman natin si Mark. check natin si Mark kung siya ba ay nakapasa. So, ayun, failed dahil yung strand na pinilapan ni Juan ay hindi pumasok or pumasa. And try naman natin na mag-enroll pa ng isa pa. Pero, dahil nga, ito lang yung maximum natin sa ngayon. Kaya, pero pwede naman natin siyang i-edit kung ilan yung gusto natin na i-enroll. So, sa ngayon, dalawa lang muna para mapakita natin or mapakita namin yung paano ba mag-run yung program. And yun, makikita natin dito lahat yung mga naka-enrolled na, and pwede rin tayo dun mag-edit ng grades nila.
So, try natin edit grade ni Mark para maipasa siya. Palitan natin GPA niya, gawin natin 85 and above. So, ayan. 85 and above na. So, ang required GPA naman sa STEM ay 85 and above. So, nakapasok na siya. So, check natin ang result niya kung nakapasok na talaga siya. Option 2, Mark. So, yan. Student name, Mark, result, passed. Press any key to verify your enrollment. Full name, Mark. I'm sure material, yes. So, check natin kung enrolled na ba siya. So, yung last option, which is discover available strand. It includes different strands and their respective required GPAs. So, sa available strands, we have TBL, STEM, News, ABM, and Home. So, TBL, Technical Vocational Livelihood, or TBL. May required GPA siya, which is higher than 75. So, pag lower than 75, hindi siya makakapasok. Sa STEM, or Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, required GPA is 85 and above. Yung Humanities, and Social Sciences, ang required GPA niya is 80 and above. And sa ABM, Accountancy, Business, and Management, ang required GPA niya is 85 and above. So, yung home, pag pinindot mo yung home, obviously, babalik siya sa homepage ng system.
In Abo Incorporated, we would like to promote program that is easily accessible and convenient for every student, which is the enrollment procedures. Saan ba ito madalas gamitin? Madalas mo ito magagamit in junior or senior high school. What makes our program useful and important? It is useful para sa mga estudyante dahil hassle-free na siya, madali pa siyang gamitin, and it's not very time-consuming. Important siya para sa mga teachers dahil mapapadali nito ang mga gawain nila. Hindi na masyadong maraming paperworks, then malalaman agad natin if the applicant is fit for our institution. Unlike old-fashioned way, ang old-fashioned way kasi kailangan mo pang magdala ng requirements sa school, then maghihintay ka, pipila ka, which is exhausting. Ayaw naman natin nun, di ba? Kaya here, mag-fill up ka lang online ng information mo, then yung GPA, then you submit, and tapos ka na. That's all.
So, moving forward with our systems interface, so isa-showcase namin yung mga interface na ginawa namin.
This is the interface of our program of Senior High School Enrollment System. Dito nakapaloob ang mga options sa homepage ng program. This is the interface of option 1, admin login. After mag-login ni student sa admin login, this is the interface of admin menu, which is may kita po ang option edit enlist students, view enrolled, and homepage. This is the interface of option 2, which is enrolled students. Sa enrollment procedure, nandito ang mga steps for enrollment. Step 1, personal information. Step 2, submit grades. Step 3, choose strand. And step 4, submit form and cancel enrollment. This is the interface of step 1, personal information, na kailangan mag-fill up ng student ng kanyang full name, age, at sex. This is the interface of step 2, submit grades, wherein mag-fill up ng previous grades si student para makompute ang kanyang average grade. This is the interface of step 3, choose strand, wherein pipili si student ng strand niya based sa total average ng grades niya. Option 3, view and list students, where dito may kita ang mga nag-fill up ng credentials si user sa option 2 pero hindi pa sila officially enrolled. For example po, ito pong si Juan de la Cruz na nagpasa po ng kanyang mga credentials.
At dito naman po yung mga result ng mga student na nag-enroll. At dito naman po, ipilin po natin si Juan at makita tayo yung mga resulta ni Juan. May nakalagay po na status is pass. Kasi po kaya siya nag-pass kasi mataas ang kanyang grado sa mga subject. At pagtapos natin dito yung next, may lalabas po din na please verify your full name and before the verification of enrollment. Para po makita kung tama po yung pangalan na inilagay. Pagtapos po pinutin yung done, may lalabas po dyan na are you sure you want to enroll? Tapos may dalawa pong option na pipilian na yes or no. Then, ito naman po sa Discover Available Strand. Ito lang po yung mga available na strand na pwedeng kunin ng mga estudyante na nag-enroll.
So moving forward with function names and variables we've used in our program.
Void enroll, void enmenu, void personal, void GPA, void status, void fixed strand, void enroll, void result. For our variable, int number, int fixed strand 50 slot, in number, student number, max student, OPT or option, and enter pass or end pass and admin password. Ang ating admin password is 12345. And for our age, 50 slot, choose 0, full name, 100 characters by 50 slot, and enroll 50 slot, and gender 50 slot. And since our code is about senior high school enrollment system, and meron tayong subject na Filipino, English, Science, Math, and average. And student enroll, request, and e-result 50 slot, e-name 100 character and 50 slot.